Imagine you are scrolling through your photo gallery after a trip and you notice that some shots are perfect, but in others, there's a stranger in the background or the lighting just feels off. Earlier, fixing these problems would have meant opening complicated editing tools and manually adjusting each photograph. However, things are now changing as Google has introduced new AI-based editing features in its Photos app. These features allow users to request edits with ease using just their voice or text prompts. So let's find out about these features. This update is rolling out first on Pixel 10 devices in the US. You'll be able to use the redesigned photo editor to describe the changes that you want, either by typing or speaking, and Google Photos will apply them. For example, you can give prompts like remove the cars in the background, or fix the washed out colors, or restore this old photo. And for all this, you won't need select tools or adjust sliders. You can just do conversational editing. It works for both corrections and creative edits. This includes lighting fixes, removing distractions, and clearing reflections. You can also change backgrounds, add elements like a hat or sunglasses, or combine multiple requests in one go. If you're not sure where to start, you can just say, "Make it better," and Google Photos will give suggestions. To improve clarity around AI-made content, Google Photos is adding support for C2PA Content Credentials. This means users will be able to see details about how an image was captured or edited. These features will be available first on Pixel 10 and will gradually roll out to Android and iOS users in the coming weeks. So that's what's changing in Google Photos. You'll soon be able to edit by simply asking for it, and also know more about how your images were created. So what do you think about the new conversational photo editing features in Google Photos? Share your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।